how to send emails by mail merge using Google Sheets and Gmail to send يعني big emails with the same message. Follow me in this video. Please subscribe to the channel and press like and share the video with others if you like it. Follow me. We will open the Google Chrome and we have here the Gmail, and I have this article, this very important article, because we will press in this one, and the link of this article it's in developers.google. You will find it in the description في الوصف يعني. ولما نفتح اللينك دوت اللي هو ميك كوبي هيفتح لنا اللي هو السبريد شيت دوت اهو. طبعا الداتا ديت مهمناش غير اللي هو recipient and email sent. All these fields you can modify, you can delete, you can add extra columns. So this field you can delete it. Okay, you can instead of first name you can rename it manager. Okay, you can here add email, add column in the left or in the right. Also you can delete this one, we don't need. Delete this column also. Delete discount code, we don't need. Okay, you can add columns, you can modify columns, but these two columns you cannot remove. Recipient and email sent. Description is very important, you will use it. Okay, so you can delete all these records, and here you can paste the emails you need to put, like these emails. You can copy this email, Control C, and then go back and paste this email here, and then the other email, and so on. Okay, copy. Do this with all emails. You can, if the emails are in a spreadsheet, or you can copy all and paste. But here I have in the Word file, so this is a sample, like it's very sample, but the message will be the same. So I will go back and paste these 4 emails, and then have the other email, the last one. So copy, and then here it seems I finished. The description also will be here. This is the description. And then paste here for description. Okay. Now we go to the mail and compose new mail, and here in the subject, here we will, for specialist, will open two curly brackets and close with curly brackets, and go here and copy this one. Specialist, Control C, and then go back here and put inside this one. Okay, the subject will be the same. So this is the description. Okay, so I copy this one also, and here I will write وافتح curly brackets, open curly brackets, close, and here put the description. And now you have the message. You will write here the message. So this you will copy it because we will use it. Okay, now we have the message. The message will be here, and here the same message. It will repeat it. This message will repeat it. Okay, Control C, and then here put the message. Can also copy this if you need in other emails. You can copy and put in the same message here. Now we prepared the message. We go back here. In the spreadsheet. You can save this spreadsheet here in the Google Drive. You can put in any area. You can make a new folder here. Open a new folder and put in the folder. It's up to you. Okay. So we have here new folder. Writing. Okay, create. So we have the writing here. Writing. Okay. Now we'll go here and suggested, cancel, make it again tools, file, وهنا here and then select the folder and then move, so it moved here. Okay, it's in writing folder. Okay, so now we put mail merge, send the emails. Okay, authorized request here. Okay, select the email, black to safety, advanced here, no problem here. Go to Gmail, merge and save. Okay, continue only. Okay, and then allow. Authorization successful. Okay, then mail merge, send emails. Here type or copy paste the subject line, so we will go here and bring the subject line from here, the subject line, to know that this is the email we will use. Okay, and then here and put here Ctrl V and then OK. We can send until 1000. Now the message was sent. The message was sent here. If you open the sent email here, you will find that this message was sent, the 4 messages. So we sent 4 messages. Now if you would like to send 1000 message, you will put here 1000 email with the same so if you'd like to check that it was sent, open here and here the message, and here all the message was sent. Okay, now for extra things, you can press on tools, and in tools you have autocomplete, data, so as we see, we sent all the messages. If you have 1000 emails, you can send them all the content of the message. Don't forget to like the video and share it with others, and write any question and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.